if there's anything else.
Yeah, so this is after long wash. Yes.
And when are you hoping to do the actual? Cool.
So I think I can just empty the tanks and start from there, right?
Okay. And then what did we decide on for this? Because I guess there's only a few opens like these, which we're going to all unplug, so they're sealed on just these. And then that's the other open point.
Yeah. So they say that the arm should support it. That's what the email said.
The arm should support this if you leave it on.
Yeah, so basically we should get the tube out and fill it with just a little bit of water. Can we get the tube out when the system's off, or?
I think that's fine, yeah.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure I've done that before.
Okay, yeah, so they just say leave a very little amount of water in there so that the tip is in it.
So maybe pour off just a little of this.
Yeah.
I think that's good, or just even less?
Yes, good. I think that's good.
Maybe less.
Yeah, and after that, that's all the hardware we have.
Just a little bit. So we got that. Okay, so that part's all set.
Okay.
And then for up here, emptying these, right?
I think be careful. This moves a little when I do it. Okay, actually, I want to get this out of the way so that it. Oh, but I can't actually disconnect that.
I think does it go just straight into it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah. So they're worried about this thing breaking if it's inside.
Yeah.
So I think
Which I remember in the notes when you do stuff, it's like it says to be really careful of that.
Right. I also remember that. So maybe what we want to do is we just bubble wrap this part and put it in so it's not moving
stick it in that
around.
Space.
Okay.
Cool. I'll just leave it off to the side for now. No, it's not pressurized right now.
It's already off. I just, can you not like be very close to my elbow because I'm afraid I'm just going to like.
We also want to dump out the waste so that there isn't the free. Okay, so at this point, do we want to just unplug all of these?
I think so, yeah.
Cool. Because then, they're still going to stay on there. So
So the unplugging basically blocks them off when you unplug the filter.
Cool.
So, we uncouple the sensors. I want to make sure this one's also.
Yeah, I mean, it says labeled on this side, it says 4-liter supply, so attached to here, and this one's 4-liter waste, so it is labeled on one side, but.
So the robot's going in a crate on Wednesday, right?
Yes.
Wednesday next week.
Okay, so I was telling David this since most of my work is done here already.
Yes.
I know there's like little bits and pieces here or there.
Yes.
I was just thinking if possible, because I have some other calls to get to.
Yes.
I was wondering if I could just take off for the day.
Yeah, absolutely.
And then before Wednesday, I'm gonna come back again just to see if everything's in order.
This one too.
You're angel.
Yeah, of course. It's my job.
Oh,
it's my job.
No, you don't have to. You don't like it.
No.
Trips,
I'll be back here just for a quick visit, just to make sure we.
I'll get you a gift.
No.
Seriously, because you went out of your way. Like, I will get you a gift.
No, don't please. It's my job. I feel very guilty if you do.
No, but if I don't, it's you make an extra trip, right? I'm so appreciative.
No. Of course, I'll do it on my own time. So don't worry about the our cost or whatever. Yeah. So I'll be back before Wednesday. I'll try to schedule time with you.
Thank you so much,
Yeah, of
Thank
course.
you.
Yeah, because I know like the little bits and pieces.
Yes,
it's gonna
thank you.
We're still gonna have to kind of it's gonna be a little bit more time, so I don't want to just to be more efficient on both of our ends. I just
Yeah,
thought
yeah.
this would
Thank
be the
you,
best.
thank you.
Of course.
Just so appreciate this.
Of course.
There's
Yeah.
this thing just
All right, so I'll see you
sticking out
definitely
the
once
bottom
again
that-
before
I don't know what.
before
we
the
might want
move.
to just coil it
Yes,
up.
yes.
Okay.
And my office
Tape it
will
to
be
the bottom.
across
Yeah,
now.
it's
When you
easy.
come back,
I mean, I don't know
you
if
will know. Like we will let you in, but we will have
It
moved
comes straight
over
up
there.
here.
So I think we
Oh,
could
so you're
probably-
still moving temporarily
Yeah.
over there?
Yeah,
I think this is the
yeah,
fluid
but
overflow.
our
I
lab
think,
space
if
will
this
still
fills
here,
up.
but
Yeah.
you know, like yes.
Sounds
no,
good.
Thank you so much.
Of
Thank
course.
you.
Yep.
Cool.
Yeah, I'll be working here for a while.
Okay,
These
so
guys
yeah,
are
just
already-
those, and then I think everything.
Yeah, David, if you feel like wrapping everything up, just
And then I think this is
So,
all. Yeah,
This is
so we're all
with
disconnected
the,
then.
Yeah, exactly. Everything goes with the.
Cool.
on sleep.
Alright.
Okay, is it out?
And then what
Okay, if
happened?
we feed it back now.
Yeah, maybe I can try to feed it back to you. I don't know if the gauge will go through.
Does it go?
Actually, the gauge can maybe be disconnected as well, right? Like there's a connector here for the gauge.
Oh yeah, yeah, and that way that can stay up here.
It does. Yeah. I
Is
think
that?
it's
Are we gonna
put
know
here.
where it is gonna go?
Yeah.
You wanna label that one?
Okay, thanks for finding those.
That's a good point.
And those are passive, so you can just,
Yeah,
The problem is you cannot take enough pictures, right, of this. You don't know whether you're missing. That's a problem.
That's what I was trying to tell you before. That it's just as soon as our hands are in it, you won't see anything that we are doing in the video.
Yeah.
Uh,
What's that called?
I'm just going to say pressure gauge.
It's sort of it's kind of the nature of the phone.
Alright, found a couple great boxes for packing, so, okay.
David. Oh, sorry. Pretty straightforward in my opinion. Okay, now. So, I can try to feed the things to you. I'm wondering if we should just.
Just kind of disappear. Really small.
Oh, I see.
Through tiny little hole. Oh, so you won't be able to
It's
go
like that
through.
big.
So, sorry.
So yeah, so we're just gonna have to leave.
I
the-
think we just have to pull a filter out and
Yeah.
get it. So and maybe see.
Oh yeah, because that'll just pull right out right there, right?
Yeah, and I also think it's the air vent, so it won't dry.
Okay.
I think. I
Do
mean,
we need to do any? It looks like blue to blue is labeled, green to green. Okay, those are already all labeled.
The only thing we
Great.
need to not confuse is that this green is not that green. So.
This one isn't labeled
Yeah.
right here.
Yeah.
let's
But it is the
maybe-
only one not labeled.
But we can color, like put orange
But
tape on
it's-
both.
So here's the thing. It's also going to a different thing, right? It's going down to the waist. It's not going to the.
Yeah.
We cut
Are
it.
we ready to? Are you ready to disconnect these?
Should we label it like an orange?
So
Orange.
this one we can label.
Just put orange tape. Just even color tape them. Because I don't actually know what they do.
Yeah, that goes to the waist.
I'll go to waste.
So that's what I meant. Like it's in a different outlet than the.
I see.
other.
I see.
Yeah. So you'll be able to figure that out on your own.
But
Maybe
still,
another
why
one.
not?
Yeah. Oh, we don't. I just think it's just orange. Just orange here, orange there, and then we're
It's
fine.
It just
This one we're probably not gonna want to lose the
screws.
screws.
David, can you grab?
It
a
might be
small
one of those
zipper?
one. It might be one of those ones where it doesn't actually
I
come
think
all the
it
way
doesn't
out.
come out. That
Mine's
you're right.
captured.
They're probably captured.
Right, here's a Ziploc in case we need it.
Oh yeah, actually, wait. I don't want to unscrew it all the way in that case if we think that they're captured.